Welcome and thanks for joining us on EMII.com. I'm Ananya Bhatia with your hedge fund headlines. Today's Monday, March 8th, 2010. Hedge funds have boosted their investments in banks in the last year, buying more stock especially in the fourth quarter. According to the Wall Street Journal, about 19% of Popular, over 9% of SunTrust banks, 6% of Citigroup and Zions Bank Corp., and over 4% of Wells Fargo are now owned by hedge funds. E-Trade Financial is also 20% owned by hedge funds, with a number of funds taking new positions in the last 3 months of last year. The major bank investors include Paulson & Company, Appaloosa Management, and Highbridge Capital Management. And private equity firm Bridgepoint is acquiring health and social care provider Care UK. According to the Financial Times, the all-cash management buyout, which is led by Bridgepoint Chief Executive Officer Mike Parrish, values the company at £423 million, including debt. Bridgepoint approached the company with a 450 pence a share offer on November 16th, while the initial offer on September 29th was worth 420 pence a share. Care UK, which has a net debt of about £145 million, is planning to build 30 new homes in the coming 5 years. And in more hedge fund news, Bridgepoint Wine Investments has launched a new fund that will invest 70% of its assets in 3 segments of the wine industry. According to CityWire, the new Bridgepoint Wine Fund No. 1 will invest 30% in vineyard real estate and grape production, 30% in winemaking, and 10% in marketing and distribution. It will invest 20% in collectible and rare wine once it has reached a close of €50 million. The remainder 10% will be used to fund new wine projects. The fund has been launched by Stanley Borzinaz, formerly of Fidelity and Pioneer, wine dealer Hans Friedrich, and auctioneer Steven Sedemeyer. Minimum investment required is €20,000. And Aviva investors will unveil absolute return funds across a range of asset classes in 2010. According to Investment Week, the company launched its United Kingdom Absolute Return Fund in August 2009. The fund management arm of the insurance giant received a £900 million investment in 2009. The company received £2.4 billion from external clients, which more than offset £1.5 billion outflow of in-house money in 2009. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our hedge funds channel online and read the full stories and latest developments.